Hello everyone, welcome to THN Academy. If you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe it. In this tutorial, we will learn how to control the intensity of LED with PWM signal. So guys, let's get started. Oh guys, you can see here, I have a circuit diagram. The power source, resistor and LED. And we are applying a pulse width modulation, that is PWM signal. So what is a PWM? PWM stands for pulse width modulation. It is a type of wave. It is a type of signal which can be produced from the microcontroller. The signal just produce a train of pulses, and these pulses are in form of a square wave. That is, at any given instance of a time, the wave will either be high or low. Okay, so you can see here, we are applying the PWM signal, that is pulse width modulation, and these pulses are generated from our Arduino board. So you can see here, I have drawn some diagrams, that is a waveform. You can see here, I have drawn a square wave, and I wrote here 25% of duty cycle. What is the meaning of 25% of duty cycle? It means our LED will be on only for the 25%, and rest of the time will be in off state. 50%. It means our signal will be on for the 50% and rest of the time will be in off state. 75%. They all are the same meaning, but only there is a difference for on time and off time. So let's talk about the duty cycle. What is the duty cycle? The percentage of time in which the PWM signal remains high is called a duty cycle. If the signal is always on, it is in 100% duty cycle. If it is always off, then it is 0% duty cycle. Okay, so how to calculate the duty cycle? There is a formula, the duty cycle, T on upon the T on plus T off. Okay, so you can see here, I have drawn a waveform, that is this is our on time and this is our off time. From this point to this point, that is called period, where frequency is inversely proportional to period. Okay, so we have saw PWM and duty cycle, but how we will control the intensity of LED? Duty cycle means we are controlling the voltage. How much we are applying the voltage to our LED, our intensity is depend on the voltage. If we will apply more voltage, our intensity will be high. If we will apply the low voltage, our intensity will be low. Okay guys, so you can see here, I have a 1.5K resistor, LED, Arduino Uno, and there is some jumpers and USB cable. So how we will identify the PWM pin in our Arduino Uno? Guys, you can see here, there is a symbol of wave in front of pin number 3, 5, 6, 9, 10 and 11. They all are PWM signal. So you will get PWM signal from pin number 3, 5, 6, 9, 10 and 11. You can't get PWM signal from pin number 1, 2, 4 and 8 or 12 or 13. Okay guys, so let's do the circuit connection. As we know, In our LED, long terminal is our positive terminal and short terminal it's our negative terminal. Okay, so let's do the connection. Okay guys, one thing I want to tell you, why we are using 1.5K resistor. As we know, our LED will operate on 1.8 to 2.4 volt, but our controller will give the 5 volt. That's why we are using 1.5K resistor. If you will not use, maybe your LED will damage at 5 volt. Okay guys, so you can see here, I'm going to connect the positive terminal on pin number 9 and let's provide the ground. Okay guys, we have done the connection. Let's move towards the software part. Okay guys, so now we are going to tie the code. First of all, we will initialize the pin of LED. LED pin we have connected on pin number 9. I am taking one more variable, that is I. In a void setup, we will initialize the pin as an input or output. Pin mode LED pin is our output. Serial dot begin. Hope you guys understand what is the serial dot begin. It is our baud rate. Okay, so let's come in void loop. Here we will use a for loop. I is equal to 0 semicolon I less than is equal to 255 semicolon and I plus plus. Okay, so when you will convert your 5 volt in a digital form, you will get from 0 to 255. Okay, so as we know, analog signal is a continuous signal, but digital signal, it is in a form of on or off, that is 0 or 1. Okay. Digital write LED pin, comma I, and take a small delay. Okay, when our I will increase, our voltage will increase. I start from 0 and it goes till 255. Okay, so you can see here, whenever our I is 0, so our LED will not glow, because our LED will operate on 1.8 to 2.4 volt. Okay, so we have converted in digital form. Whenever our I will reach at a point like at 1.8 volt or above 1.8 volt, then our LED will start to glow. When our eye will increase, then our intensity will increase. Okay, so we have done the programming. Now compile the program. Okay, so we have to save. Just I'm going to save it on desktop. So intensity. Okay, so you can see here. Maybe it will take some time. Okay, so done compiling. Okay, guys, one thing I want to tell you. Go to tool and check your board and program. Currently, I'm using Arduino Uno, so I will be select Arduino Uno. If you are using Arduino Mega, Uno or Nano, you can select from your board. And my port is connected on COM3, so I have selected on COM3. Okay, so now let's upload the program. Okay, so done uploading. So now let's see the output. Okay, so you can see here, whenever our voltage will increase, our intensity will also increase. Hope you guys understand. If you have any doubt, you can tell me in comment section. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.